So, welcome to the second trimester. Now, as you know, we'll be continuing with the YouTube posts, and your first YouTube post of this second trimester 2016 is entitled Health Disorders. Now, in the book of Reading Explorer 3, you have been reading all about different health disorders, viruses, diseases, cancer, etc. What I want you to talk about in this time is all about health disorders. What are the causes of the most common health disorders? What are the effects? And how could we possibly minimize, it's probably impossible to eradicate most of them, but how could we possibly minimize some of these disorders? Now, we're talking about things such as influenza or Zika virus, which is in South America, but it's been evident also in Central America and even the United States. But something more common here is dengue fever, malaria if you're from the North Coast. And of course, cancer is the big one. There's so many different kinds of cancer: throat cancer, lung cancer, skin cancer, bowel cancer, prostate cancer. There are a lot. So what can we do about all of these? And do you know why we're getting so many more diseases, and especially cancers? The rate of cancer is increasing decade by decade. So remember, I want you to talk about these three aspects thing. The causes of these different disorders, and you have to mention the different disorders. The effects they have on the human population, or even include the animal population if you like. And possible solutions or ways to eradicate or at least to minimize the incidence of these disorders. As always, you're going to talk for between 2.5 and 3 minutes, following the essay format. In other words, starting with your introduction, with a preamble, then the focus, then you have your body. You should split your body up into these three different aspects. Remember, the causes, the second one would be the effects, and third, solutions. And ending with your closing, which begins with a summary and finishes with either a recommendation, opinion, or a conclusion.